Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Qassim mix for coffee. First, understand that Qassim mix is a unique blend of spices, often featuring cardamom, cloves, and saffron, designed to enhance traditional Arabic coffee. This guide will help you achieve a perfectly balanced and aromatic cup. We'll cover selecting your mix, preparing it correctly, and brewing techniques to bring out its best flavors. Get ready to transform your coffee experience with this authentic blend. Now, let's prepare your Qassim mix. For a standard brew, we recommend using 1 tablespoon of Qassim mix for every 2 cups of water you plan to use. If you have whole spices, grinding them fresh just before brewing will release the most intense aromas and flavors. Then, simply combine your measured Qassim mix with your favorite ground coffee beans, ensuring an even distribution for a consistent taste. This step is crucial for a truly authentic experience. Brewing your coffee with Qassim mix is a simple yet rewarding process. Start by adding your combined coffee and Qassim mix to cold water in a traditional dalla or a regular pot. Slowly bring the mixture to a gentle boil over medium heat, being careful not to let it boil over. Once boiling, reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the spices to fully infuse, creating a rich, complex flavor profile. Finally, it's time to enjoy your beautifully brewed Qassim mix coffee. Traditionally, it's served hot in small, handle-less cups, often accompanied by dates. Feel free to experiment with the spice ratio in future brews to perfectly match your personal taste preferences. You might prefer a stronger cardamom note or a hint more saffron. Also, remember to check the description below for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. Enjoy your unique coffee experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.